Hi guys, so this is my first vlog and yeah, this is my Geek Pop Gold experience. So Ruru is there, Charis is there, and thankfully I get to be part sa Geek Pop Gold. So I was very early, no, the mall is still closed and may mga bagay nga may special passes tayo kasi I am a shoutcaster, official shoutcaster ng MLBB tournament for the Geek Pop Gold kaya may all access pass tayo. Since this is a first vlog, di ko pa talaga alam anong gagawin. I am still shaky sa video, but I want to share my experience in Geek Pop Gold. I am really happy na nakiparticipate ako. And yeah, may mga booths na dito, pero di pa na set up kasi ang aga pa naman. Time check, it's still 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I think. Di ko na check yung phone ko. I don't wear wristwatch. Puro photos and all lang yung ginawa ko dito kasi nag-set up kami ng booth. Kasi kahit may special access ako, need ko pa rin tumulong sa booth namin. May booth kami guys, which is I am part of the TRACE or Trailblazers Association for Campus Esports. Yun yung official esports team ng aming university kung saan graduate ako at naging parte ako. Doon ako nag-start ng career ko pagiging shoutcaster. Sa parting ito, yunti-yunti na rumarami yung mga tao. At may mga friends akong nag-volunteer. Party sila ng Trace at nag-volunteer sila. So, may mga friends akong naging personal assistant ni Chares at Ruro. May naging sila yung nagbebenta ng merch. And yan, nag-uusap muna kami kasi wala pa si Ruro at
Tingnan man
Chares.
ni live sa phone. Oh, ilagyan na ilagyan na mo din live din. Natin na ito.
Dumadami na rin ang mga cosplayers na dumarating. So, I think magsa-start na yung program in a while. After a while, nag-start na yung program. Pero bago ang lahat, ay nag-register muna ako sa Razer Gold. Kasi pag maka-register ka, is pwede kang sumali sa iba't ibang mga palaro nila sa mga kanya-kanyang booth. So may MLBB booth, may Tekken booth, may Genshin Impact, may Diablo Immortal at marami pang iba. And I think sasali ako sa Genshin Impact kasi nakita nyo naman yung earlier videos ko sa YouTube. 100% ko lahat ng Genshin Impact ko kahit di pa ako nagta-top up ever. So ito na, sumali na nga ako sa Genshin Impact Tournament. And fast forward ko itong segment na ito. So actually makikita nyo lang na naglalaro ako. Unfortunately, namatay si Nuvilet ko kasi nag-lag yung laptop. Like nakikita nyo naman yung laptop na nagamit ko. Slow frames. Developer's account yung lahat ng ito. So R6 lahat, naka-max lahat, artifacts are good. So i-utilize ko sana si Nuvilet kasi masakit yung R6 niya. Yao Yao yung healer, Leila yung shielder, Xiangling yung melt. So imbis mananalo na ako, like I'm really close to winning, ako yung nangunguna, namatay si Nuvilet kasi di ako naka-switch out ng character ko, which is yung main DPS ko or so non-Genshin players, yung nagdi-deal talaga ng damage sa akin. So namatay siya like mga below 1/4 lang yung life, naunahan pa ako ng dalawang participant. So ang nangyari, wala, third lang ako guys. Di ako nasali. Pero may prize din naman ako at the end. Wala, third lang talaga ako. Sayang talaga. Kasi naglag yung laptop, maraming nasasayangan, maraming nanonood sa likod ko kasi leading ako nun. Pero oh well, may Klee, tayo, from Acer. So yeah, I guess that's fine. May prize pa din naman. So nag-start na yung program and rarating na si Ruro and Chares around noontime, pero as of the moment is nag-start na yung sa stage basically and walang masyadong nakaupo in front kasi marami pang cosplayers na nahihiya, pero still I was there taking random photos and videos and just enjoying the moment while waiting sa aking idol na si Ruru and Chares of course.
What's your name, my guy? What's your name? Oreo. Oreo. Okay, so Oreo, I'm gonna give you a premise of what you're gonna do. So it's like You're trying to defend your thesis, and the thesis is all about.
Kung kita hintayin dito sa Fontaine, hintayin kita kahit magkita pa rin sa Celestial.
Sa Celestial na lang daw tayo makita, pare. Ang lupit mo, pick up!
So while I was busy dun sa stage participating on the event, sabi ng kaibigan ko na si Migis, andun na daw si Ruru at Chares. So on that moment, nagpasama ako sa kanya and I said to him kung saan sila napunta, but nasa VIP section sila. I am not VIP. May all access ako but I don't want to abuse it kasi diba shoutcaster ako, so parang unfair naman sa mga bumili ng tickets for VIP, then pupunta lang ako just because I have the power. So di ko in-abuse, I just took photos of Chares and Ruru in a distance, idolizing them. So I think that's fair naman sa lahat. So yeah, di ko in-abuse. Baka may chance later on na makakapag-picture ako, especially kay Ruru. I've been following Ruru ever since pandemic, I guess, or pre-pandemic. Hindi pa siya, hindi pa siya masyadong sikat. I found her on Instagram. And yeah, parang na-starstruck ako. I just took random photos, random videos to be specific. So yeah, ito nakita ko sila. Ito sila. I took all the photos I could or videos kasi syempre andito sila sa malapit, so kahit di talaga ako naka-meet and greet kasi walang VIP, I'm really happy. So yung friend ko na PA, si Saki, sinabihan ko siya nga kunin yung cellphone ko, picturean sila close up. Kaya may mga close up pics ako ni Chares, which is I'm quite satisfied about it. Ang importante naman is naging parte ako sa event and nakita ko sila in real life. So after a while, I went back to the Trace booth kasi baka may maitulong ako sa booth, at least na lang man. So dito pa kasi yung MLBB tournament, and as of the moment, I'm just a freeloader here with all the access. Sige si shoutcaster nga, diba? Pero still, after a while, paglingon ko, nakita ko si Ruru bumabalik sa isang corner kung saan niya binibenta yung mga merch, and then there, I know na pipirma siya ng autograph. So di ako nagdalawang isip. Unang ginawa ko is kumuha ako ng random sticker sa booth namin, magpa-as if na ipapapirma ko yun. Kasi wala akong pera pambili ng official merchandise or photo cards niya. I'm so sorry, Ruru, but I promise when I get a stable job, I'll buy merchandises sa'yo na official. For as of the moment, itong karton lang muna nga may OA Gamer na nakatatak. So I fell in line, and yeah, ito yung pinakaunang linya. So maliit pa yung nakakaalam na bumalik siya sa kanyang merch booth. So luminya ako with the karton na kinuha ko randomly sa booth namin. And hopefully makaka-picture kami one-on-one ni Ruru. Kasi I've been a long time fan, kami ng best friend ko.
I was so close with Ruru, my goddamn. I've been a follower with Ruru. Mga 200 pa kapin niya followers. Yeah. I'm fucking tweaking by. Bay, naka-picture ko niya ba? Women fan. Ruru. Bukan pa siya, dili pa siya big.
So it finally happened. Naka-picture ako sa kanya. After years and years of idolizing Ruru, I was able to get a picture this close. Parang selfie talaga siya. Actually, it's selfie talaga siya. My brain is tweaking as of the moment. And nabre-brain block ako, nabre-brain rot ako. Nakalimutan kong ipapirma yung OA Gamer. Buti yung kaibigan ko is nasa likod ko, yung Trace logo na lang ipinapirma niya kasi may pirma rin ni Chares dun. So, yeah, I was quite nervous that time. But I was really happy and shaking inside. I don't usually tweak, but when I do, it's for people like Ruru. Diba? Poetic. Grabe naman yun. So after I had my fair share of happiness sa Geek Pop Gold, back to work na tayo mga kaibigan. So I need to focus on helping the booth. Pero before anything else, bumili muna ako ng food for my partner, which is na-assign siya sa registration. Yes, nag-volunteer din siya. And yeah, I just helped the organization take photos of Ruru and Chares. Kasi Trace also needs to document something. And di na ako masyadong nakapag-video from here on out. Kasi na-busy din and nakatulog ako sa booth. I was really tired. Kasi I'm an introvert, I'm not really into something like this na maraming tao na de-drain ako. Pero the social battery draining is worth it naman din. Since we are an esports booth, may pa 1v1 tournament kami sa Call of Duty Mobile, and around 10 PM, which is natapos yung program, sa pinaka-last is I need to award them. We need to award them. Ako yung naging host, and I was very happy to be the host of the night. So yeah, it was fun. It was a short-lived moment, but it was genuinely fun for me. An experience I'll never forget. But still, dahil medyo gabi na, wala akong masyadong na-document na video, especially sa hosting ko. I'm not sure sino yung nag-video, pero kung may video man kayo, please, isend nyo sa akin. Pero yeah, wala akong nakuha video, wala akong nakuha document. I wanted to film myself hosting on the event, so that I could parang makikita ko yung self ko. Pero still, it was sudden. Biglaan kasi walang mag-host, so I need to host. So yeah, it was fun actually. So yeah, that was it. That was my whole Geek Pop experience. So yeah, unfortunately sa day 2, wala akong masyadong video kasi I was quite preoccupied. Probably disappointed din kasi na-cancel yung MLBB show match. But overall, it was fun. Siyempre, naka-free admission na nga ako. Who am I to be ungrateful? Pero still, it was a nice experience being part of the Geek Pop, and I would do it again. Kung pwede. So, di ko man na-fulfill pagiging shotcaster ko. I was able to host for quite some time. But on day 2, I did not document anything. Or kung meron man is probably just random things. So, yeah. We all, I guess. Yeah, once again, this is Just Dice. This is my first ever vlog for my YouTube account, which is quite weird. I find it weird na hihiya pa ako. But still, I will try to do more Just Vlogs. So, the playlist will be called Just Vlogs. May Just Shorts tayo and may Just Gaming. Just Dice, and yeah, peace out.